What's going on YouTube? It's Guddang 775, just a Marley boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I'll be doing my review of the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2 on the ear headphones. Now I had this for over a week now, and the video was supposed to go out last night, but I had problems with my camera right here. Okay, freaking camera. But I got that all sorted out. Okay. And I'm gonna do the review. Stay tuned to the end of the review. I'll be comparing it to my Blueant Pump Souls, which is right here. Now let's talk about specs real quick, okay? I did not know what Bluetooth chip this was when I did my first impressions video last week. I was looking for it everywhere. I couldn't find it. I finally found it. It was on the box, very small lettering. It's Bluetooth 4.1, okay? And the thing is, don't let me confuse the Amazon listing. It says Bluetooth 4.2. So I'm gonna go with what's on the box. It's Bluetooth 4.1. These have 50mm drivers, and they are made out of FSC wood. You can see the wood right here, clear as day. So the ear cup itself is made out of that FSC wood. And now I don't know if the band is made out of that wood. I can't tell. I can't see. But I don't think so. I think it's like an aluminum or plastic piece here. Now what's interesting is this copper looking wire band right here, and that's how you adjust the headset. You go up and down like this. Now one thing I don't like about the headset right off the bat is how these things fold. You listen to this. See that? You hear that? Okay, I say a few hundred times of doing this, I think these are gonna fail. These are gonna break. And I think, and if you drop it like this on the headset, falls down like this, from a high, you know, just off the table onto a hard surface like the floor, that might break. So just be wary, be careful of the headset. This is a frail headset. That's what it feels like. Now some parts look premium and some parts look cheap, especially the headband. Headband looks cheap. This is the top of the headband. Okay. It looks okay for the most part. Now as for comfort, I put comfort and build quality in the same category, so I give it an average score. For comfort, it's actually not bad at all. Okay, let me adjust it real quick. Okay, it sits on your ears, hence it's an on-the-ear headset, and it's fairly comfortable for the most part. Okay, and they pretty much stay on your head. They don't go up and down, so I think you could use these for running, or you can, like most people be doing, just use it for casual listening. You know, they're out and about, and these have sports noise isolation. It's a passive noise isolation. Once you put these on, everything quiets down just a bit, and it's not like active noise cancelling. It doesn't have active noise cancellation, okay? But it's a nice touch. It does drown out some other sound, especially if you got these things on full volume. Now, how you see how that leads in, transitions into the sound quality. Now, before I talk about sound quality, 1 being absolute garbage, 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born, as the build quality and comfort for this headset, I have to give this a 3.5 out of 5. Okay, it just feels cheap on the top here, but the bottom feels premium, so it's like a half and half kind of thing. And the comfort wise, it's not bad. I could wear them for a good 2 hours at a time. Now after every half an hour I have to adjust them because they do form some type of, you know, uncomfortable pressure point. You just move them around about half an hour or so and they'll be fine. Okay, but yeah, build quality is a 3.5 out of 5. Now let's talk about sound quality. Okay, when I first listened to these things, I thought the sound quality was amazing. Okay, and they are. Let's give you a quick test of the sound quality real quick. What song shall we go? Let's go with Energy. Let's see. They sound really good. Let's try another song real quick. One of my usuals. Okay, you heard that. Sound quality, mids and highs, they're nice and clean, okay? Tend to lean a little sharp. Now, the bass, there's nice clean bass here, but the mids and highs slightly overpower the bass in quite a few songs that I've listened to. But it's not necessarily that bad to a point where it kills the mood. It's actually, it sounds really good. And as for volume, the volume is on point. It's just loud enough for me, and I imagine it would be loud enough for 95% of people out there, because these do get decently loud for on-the-ear headphones. And again, the 50mm drivers, when you encounter like heavy bass in certain songs, you can actually feel the bass. It's almost like a haptic feedback type of bass. Almost, not quite. Similar to Skull Candy Crushers, but Skull Candy Crushers are ridiculous haptic feedback bass. This sports, you can feel little when you go into bass heavy songs. So these are pretty good. Now, you take all of that into account. 1 being absolute garbage, 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born. When it comes to sound quality, I have to give these things a 4 out of 5. Sound quality is good. The volume's good. I'm happy. Now, is it worth $60 to $65? Okay, 60, I could probably argue that it probably is, but 65, I guess if you really want it. But I mean, 60 is tops what I would pay for this. Now, come Black Friday, okay, Cyber Monday, I'm reckoning these would go on sale. If you can get it for 60 and below, I think you got a good deal. If you get it 50 and under, that's a steal. Just saying. Okay, but yeah, that was my review of the House of Marley wireless positive vibration wireless 2 on the ear headphones. Pretty good pair of headphones. Now, how do they compare against my favorite current on the ear wireless headphones, the Blueant Pump Souls? Okay, and why I talk about these all the time for on the ear, because I have nothing like this headset. Even like, I prefer these over my Beats Solo 2, those $200, and it's wired headphones. I prefer these over my Beats Solo 2. Okay, let me go ahead and turn my positive vibration wireless 2 off, and I'm gonna pair this to my LG V40. For the most part, it should pair fairly quickly. I think it's paired already. Yep, it's paired. So let's talk about build quality first. Okay, let's compare the two side by side. Okay, build quality on the positive vibration wireless 2 feels a little cheap. Okay, compared to this. This has a more premium feeling, and look how the headset it bends. It's like a nice smooth. Oops, I hit the song by accident. It's like a nice smooth bend. Okay, now what I gotta give House of Marley props to is the ear cups. Okay, the ear cups made out of wood, and this nice soft cushion. Now the cushion on here is not bad. Okay, and it's soft. The thing is, when you put these on your head, they're gonna squeeze your head. Okay, they're gonna squeeze your head, and you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. Okay, they sit on your ear just like that. They squeeze your head a bit, but these are designed to squeeze your head because these are made for working out. Well, these are my favorite running on the ear headphones. So you put them on your ear, they sit on your ear. They literally squash your ears together. Okay, and for the most part, they stay on your head. They don't move up and down. And if you're running, it's no problem. It's not going to go in or out. If you do a lot of heavy workouts, lifting weights and whatnot, aerobics, where you got to move your head around, it stays on, but it can fall off. But these do squeeze your ears a little, and the ear cups itself, they form pressure points on your ear about after half an hour. You start to feel them, and you feel them quicker on the Blueant Pump Souls than this, because these are more circular. They got a little bit bigger ear opening. These are like just basically the size of a small or medium person's ears. Now, if you got a big head, you're a big dude, I would recommend the bigger brothers. They have the Blueant Pump Zone, I think. The thing is about this headset, you can't find it anywhere at a decent price anymore. You might find some on eBay at $60, $50 to $60. That's how much I got it for. It was between $50, $60 60 bucks, around there, $60. But now you look for these on Amazon, they're selling for $150, $200, ridiculously expensive prices. Now, crazy thing is, if I would probably pay that right now, because if these broke, you know, I would want another one. But yeah, these sound really good. So build quality, when you compare the two, okay, I give a slight edge to the Blueant Pump Souls. And the main reason, even though the cups are not as comfortable as the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless, you see how these ear pads, they're nano coated, sweat resistant, okay, for the most part. See that? I don't know if you can see it. It's really solid. Okay, I've worn these things, I don't know, dozens of times when I went running with this thing, okay? When I could do my 2-mile runs, these things are fantastic, okay? And I've actually used them a lot, you know, just going out to, you know, Walmart, HEB, whatnot. And of course there is going to be sound leak because these are on the ear, okay? It doesn't form a complete perfect seal. It does form a seal right around your ear hole for the most part, but people standing next to you, they'll hear you. Especially in loud music, like how I listen to my music. But let's give you folks a listen to what it sounds like. Okay? Pretty good, right? Let's go back to the other song, Energy. Sound quality on these things, okay? They sound slightly more balanced than the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2. The mids and the highs, they're clear, bordering crystal clear, okay? Again, this leans a little sharp, okay, which is perfect for me. I like things sound profile sharp. And the bass, this has got surprising amount of bass, and I think these are 40 millimeter, 50 millimeter, I forgot. I'll leave it down here if I remember to put it into the video. But the bass on these things rival that of the House of Marley. Okay, it comes pretty close. Okay, the bass is good. Not so much heart, like super deep throbbing bass. It's got a nice, clean, tight bass these things are putting out, and I like it. Okay, and volume is on point. These get pretty much the same what do you call that, volume as the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2. I got other on-the-ear headphones, but they don't get as loud as these two do. These two are pretty loud for what you pay for. Okay? If 1 is absolute garbage and 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born, if I were to rate the sound quality on these things, I'd have to give these a 4.25 out of 5. Okay? You see? Nothing has beat my Blueant Pump Souls, even the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2. First impressions sounded like the House of Marley headphones would take it, but I went back and listened to my Blueant Pump Souls, man. My Blueant Pump Souls still are king when it comes to on-ear wireless headphones. For me, anyway, in my opinion. I love these things. I'm a big old fanboy. It's a shame you can't find these at a decent price anymore. If you do find them and you do pick these up, let me know what do you got folks think about the Blueant Pump Souls. Okay? They're not built for comfort. Just keep that in mind, okay? On the ear headphones, they're not going to be built for comfort. They're more for like on the go, working out, you know, just quick trips, hour, 2 hours max. Don't pick this up for, you know, thinking you're going to do all day listening, because you're going to feel it on your ears. Okay, pretty much all on-ear headphones are like that. If you want comfort, always go over the ear. Just putting that out there. But yeah, so my Blueant Pump Souls are still king, but the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2 on-ear headphones, come pretty close. They're like right there. If this was a 10, this would be a 9 out of 10. So yeah, that was my review of the House of Marley Positive Vibration Wireless 2 on-the-ear headphones. And my Blueant Pump Souls are still king. I hope you folks like this video. You like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.